Hello my friends! We are going to see in this video setting number 2, which is Edit from Nembol. You can open the Edit from Nembol setting. Edit from Nembol setting can be kept off or turned on. What does it mean? It means that if it is off, no edit, no changes that a given product may receive within Nembol, either done into Nembol or maybe done in other channels outside of Nembol and transferred into Nembol, no change will go into the corresponding eBay listing. You keep it off, nothing changes but quantity. If you turn it on, you may write, change, make your improvements, change the description, add tags, change title within Nembol or within another channel connected to Nembol that has the edit from that channel possible, and this change will be reflected within your corresponding eBay listing. Important notice, if you are using templates within eBay, since eBay is almost the only channel which has templates, look out, because if you make a change, if you make an edit, if you make a correction in another channel which does not have templates, this may well edit the HTML of your eBay templates. So suggestion is, if you are using eBay HTML templates, test with 1 or 2 products before fully turning Edit from Nembol on and receiving edits, say from Etsy or from Shopify or from Nembol.